to the Lauren Alexis show. Okay, so if you can't tell, I don't know if you can tell in here, but it's pouring down raining. And
no,
so
we're gonna do a show in that.